ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਆਦਿ ਗੁਰੇ ਨਮः ਜੁਗਾਦ ਗੁਰੇ ਨਮः ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਏ ਨਮः ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰਦੇਵ ਏ ਨਮः। Now we will consider next line. ਕੌਣ ਸੁਵੇਲਾ ਵਕਤ ਕੌਣ ਕੌਣ ਥਿੱਤੀ ਕੌਣ ਵਾਰ। ਉਹ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਵੇਲਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਉਹ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਵਕਤ ਹੈਗਾ, ਉਹ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਤਰੀਕ ਹੈਗੀ, ਕਿਹੜਾ ਆਵਰ ਸੀ, ਕਿਹੜਾ ਪਹਿਰ ਸੀ, ਕਿਹੜਾ ਘੰਟਾ ਸੀ, ਕਿਹੜੀ ਥਿੱਤੀ ਸੀ, ਕਿਹੜਾ ਵਾਰ ਸੀਗਾ, ਉਸ ਦਾ ਕੁਛ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਕਿਸੇ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ। ਜਦ ਪੂਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਬ੍ਰਹਿਮੰਡ ਦੀ ਰਚਨਾ ਹੋਈ, ਇਹ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਵੇਲਾ ਸੀ, ਵਕਤ ਸੀ, ਥਿੱਤੀ ਸੀ, ਵਾਰ ਸੀਗਾ, ਡੇਟ ਸੀ, ਕਿਹੜਾ ਮਹੀਨਾ ਸੀ, ਕਿਹੜੀ ਰੁੱਤੂ ਸੀ, ਇਹ ਕਿਧਰੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ। ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਲਿਖ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ। ਨਾ ਹੀ ਪੰਡਤਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਧਰੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ, ਨਾ ਹੀ ਕਾਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਕੁਰਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਇਆ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਲੇਖ, ਨਾ ਪੁਰਾਣਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ, ਨਾ ਕੁਰਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ, ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਦਾ ਲੇਖਾ ਜੋਖਾ ਆਇਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਦਿਨ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਰਚਿਆ। ਥਿਤ ਵਾਰ ਨਾ ਜੋਗੀ ਜਾਣੇ, ਰੁੱਤ ਮਾਹ ਨਾ ਕੋਏ। ਜੋਗੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਥਿਤ ਔਰ ਵਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਨੇ, ਨਾ ਰੁੱਤ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਨੇ, ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਛ ਪਤਾ, ਨਾ ਜੋਗੀ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਨੇ, ਨਾ ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ। ਜਾ ਕਰਤਾ ਸੀਰਟ ਕਉ ਸਾਜੇ, ਆਪੇ ਜਾਣੇ ਸੋਈ। ਇਹ ਸ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਟੀ ਦੀ ਰਚਨਾ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਨੇ ਕਦ ਰਚੀ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਲੇਖਾ ਜੋਖਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ, ਕੁਛ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ। ਕਿਵ ਕਰ ਆਖਾ ਕਿਵ ਸਲਾਹੀ, ਕਿਵ ਵਰਣੀ ਕਿਵ ਜਾਣਾ। ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਫਿਰ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਖਾਂ ਭਾਈ ਕਦ ਹੋਇਆ। ਕਿਵ ਸਲਾਹੀ ਕਿਵ ਵਰਣੀ ਕਿਵ ਜਾਣਾ। ਇਹਦੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਕੁਛ ਤੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲਿਖੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਧਰੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਖੀ ਹੋਈ, ਕਿਧਰੇ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਅਤਾ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਕਦ ਪ੍ਰਿਥਵੀ ਰਚੀ। ਮਾਸਟਰ ਕੀ ਆਖਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਇਸ ਪੌੜੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੱਸ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਉਹਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕੋਈ ਡੇਟ, ਕੋਈ ਤਰੀਕ, ਕੋਈ ਮਹੀਨਾ, ਕੋਈ ਰਿਤੂ, ਜਦ ਇਹ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸ ਬਣਿਆ, ਕਦ ਬਣਿਆ, ਕਿਸ ਪਲ ਬਣਿਆ, ਇਸ ਦਾ ਲੇਖਾ ਜੋਖਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹਦਾ ਫਸਟ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਆਫ ਸਟਾਰਟ, when this universe has been created by the creator, this information is not available in any sacred books like Quran or any other book. Even yogis are not aware on which date earth not only entire universe has been created. It is not known. time of start is not known because it is not written anywhere in any book, and yogis who has lot of knowledge, they are also not aware about the time, about the date, about the day, about the season. Was it rainy season, summer? Which season was? It is not known to any person or written in any book. Any book. कौन सवेला वक्त कौन कौन थिति कौन वार, on which month, on which year, nothing is known about the when the universe has been created. So we cannot calculate, we cannot estimate, because origin is not known to us, date of manufacture if not known to us, we cannot calculate. Nobody knows about date, time, day, season in any way. So therefore, we cannot estimate when the thing came into the being. It is impossible to calculate, because date of origin is required from the journey has been started. Time is also required. Season is also required. Month is also required. Year is also required. Then, if all the data are available, then we can estimate something. But data are not available anywhere to any person. Crores and crore person were taken birth and died. Still crores and crores are on the earth. But that thing has not been written in any religious book or anywhere, or it is not known to any person, yogi, etc. All kind of intellectual people are not aware when the universe has been created by the Creator. So we cannot estimate, we cannot calculate when how many years before Creator has created this entire universe. It is clearly written by the Master, date, time, month. It is not written anywhere. Crores and crores people has taken birth on this planet, but no record has been found or declared by any person or intellectual person or person, those who have taken birth and got enlightened. Even then, date and time, everything is not known. It is unknown. It means that we should not run to find the date, time, etc. It is not written anywhere, and no yogi, etc. has been found by his consciousness or super consciousness. And secondly, it is not the aim of a person to find date, time, season, etc. It is not a matter to find. What is the matter of man? Our soul has been separated from the super soul. Aim is that our soul should merge to super soul. Who am I? मैं कौन हाँ ਇਹਦਾ पता करना है. परमात्मा कद पैदा होया, कद होया या की होया. If I will try to find out when my father has taken birth, even if get these worldly things, what gain I will have? Son's motive is that he has to study and have good knowledge and do the work on this planet and earn something. If he knows about the date of birth of his father, it is not a big deal. Things are small. So important thing is that we should move to our goal. Son should achieve goal of his own. Our goal is that all the human beings has come here to ultimately know and have feeling of love with God and merge in it. Much inquiry, much finding is wastage of time, wastage of our energy, wastage of our time, energy, and thing is useless. If somebody knows about his father, he should know what quality my father had. My father is highly qualitative. My master Nanak is highly qualitative. So I should take his teaching and love with him. This feeling of love will boost me up. I can only go to the higher sections if feeling of love is created in mind, my mind. And important is that means on the useless thought, we should not throw our energy to the useless thoughts. In the useful things, our energy should be thrown so that we can achieve something. This is the teaching of Guru. जा करता सिरट को साजे आपे जाने सोए. He knows very well about himself as father knows about his date of birth. Date of birth of son is known to father. I know the date of birth of my son. I really don't know the date of birth of my father, this worldly father. You question to your own self, date of birth of your son is known to you, but date of birth of your father is not known to you. That is separate thing. You can see his documents and find out, but at present it is not known to you. It is common thing. It is very common. Date of birth your grandfather is not to you, but date of birth of your grandson will be known to you. You will remember. It is common thing, very common. You go and ask to your friends, you will find date of birth of son is known to everybody, but date of birth of father and grandfather is not known to everybody. What Guru Nanak wants to tell us, to teach us in this, we should not flow our energy in a wrong path. We should flow our energy to achieve our target. Meeting of God is our target of our life. God has sent us to do something so that He can embrace us. Several births has been taken by our soul, but still our soul is not a matured soul. Mature soul is Guru Nanak's soul, Kabir Das' soul, all the saints. Those reached to their goal, they were got the maturity. Their soul got the maturity. And they have not wasted their time in finding useless thing. They reach to the goal because they have spent time, energy in a right direction. किव कर आखा किव सालाही किव वर्णी किव जाना। मैं किस तरह उस परमात्मा दी सलाहना करा, केड़ी गल आखा केड़ा वर्णन करा कि ओदी सलाहना हो जाए। अर्थात इन वाट वे आई हैव टू डिस्क्राइब or to understand God. It is very difficult. Simple thing he knows. Listen that sound anahash shabad and listen it. Accept it. Everything will go in a positive direction and in a positive manner. This thing Guru Nanak has written early in Japji Sahib. In starting he has mentioned how to reach the God, what is God, how to reach. You have to listen Anaha Shabad, accept it that this sound is the sound of Supermaster. Then merging is possible, otherwise finding in this way where is the origin, where is the end. He and only himself, Supreme Power, knows when he got generated and when he created. Everything is within the Supreme Power. Actually, in our life, it is actually not required to know that all things. Even if you will know, nothing is going to happen. If we declare some date, on this date, what will be happen? It will not change anything. It is wastage of time, and we should not waste our time and energy in a useless work. Useful, fruitful work has to be taken up, and movement in right direction, thinking in right direction is required. Now it is up to here. Next stanza will be in next YouTube. Rest is okay.